Welcome back to AI Ed. From Bits to Breakthroughs, I'm your host, Matteo 1.0, an AI-generated avatar here at newbits.ai. Built from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm here to guide you through today's essential discussion, AI ethics at the frontier. In our last episode, we explored cross-domain integration, how AI is merging capabilities across vision, language, robotics, and automation to create interconnected, intelligent ecosystems. But with these advancements comes an urgent need for ethical oversight, fairness, privacy protection, and governance. Let's dive in. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence brings with it an increasing responsibility to ensure these powerful systems are developed and deployed ethically. This isn't just about creating guidelines, it's about building comprehensive governance structures that can evolve alongside AI capabilities, ensuring responsible innovation at every step. Let's explore these foundational developments. Anthropic's constitutional AI, an innovative framework incorporating ethical constraints directly into model training. Google's AI Principles Board, a comprehensive oversight system influencing product decisions globally. Microsoft's Office of Responsible AI, an enterprise-wide ethical review system conducting thorough assessments. Industry standards, collaborative efforts to establish consistent ethical guidelines across AI development. What makes these governance models particularly crucial is their ability to adapt and scale alongside AI advancement. When ethical considerations are built into the foundation of AI development, it helps ensure that innovation remains aligned with human values and societal benefits. The challenge of ensuring AI safety has become increasingly complex as these systems grow more sophisticated. Modern AI safety frameworks must address not just technical reliability, but also the broader implications of AI deployment in society. Let's examine these critical safety initiatives. OpenAI's staged release process, a comprehensive testing and graduated deployment protocols. Google DeepMind's AI Red Team, an advanced adversarial testing framework for vulnerability detection. Meta's responsible capability scaling, a systematic approach to safe AI system development. Industry safety standards, collaborative frameworks for responsible AI deployment. The significance of these safety measures extends beyond preventing immediate harm. They're establishing foundational practices that will shape how we develop and deploy AI systems for generations to come. Creating fair and unbiased AI systems represents one of the most significant challenges in modern artificial intelligence. While AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, it can also inadvertently perpetuate or amplify existing societal biases if not carefully monitored and corrected. Let's explore these crucial developments in bias mitigation. IBM's AI Fairness 360, a comprehensive toolkit for detecting and addressing model bias. Microsoft's FairLearn, an advanced platform for evaluating AI fairness in critical applications. Amazon's Fairness Platform, a sophisticated system applying automated bias corrections. Industry-wide standards, collaborative efforts to establish consistent fairness metrics. The importance of these initiatives lies in their ability to make AI systems more equitable and just. When we can detect and correct bias systematically, it helps ensure that AI benefits all members of society equally. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, protecting individual privacy has become paramount. Modern AI must balance powerful capabilities with robust privacy protections, ensuring personal data remains secure while still enabling innovative applications. Let's examine these breakthrough privacy solutions. Apple's on-device AI, an advanced system processing AI operations locally for enhanced privacy. Google's federated learning, an innovative approach to distributed AI training preserving user privacy. IBM's homomorphic encryption, a revolutionary technology for secure AI computations. Privacy-first architectures, frameworks ensuring data protection across AI applications. What makes these advances particularly significant is how they're changing our approach to AI development. When privacy is built into the foundation of AI systems, it creates trust and enables more widespread adoption of AI technologies. The challenge of AI governance extends well beyond initial deployment. Modern AI systems require continuous monitoring and oversight to ensure they maintain ethical behavior and prevent unintended consequences as they process billions of interactions. Let's explore these innovative monitoring systems. Amazon's AI Governance Framework, a comprehensive system for real time ethical compliance. Meta's global monitoring platform, advanced tools tracking AI interactions worldwide. LinkedIn's Fairness Tools, sophisticated systems ensuring equitable AI recommendations. Real time intervention systems, platforms enabling rapid response to ethical concerns. The significance of these monitoring systems lies in their ability to maintain ethical AI behavior at scale. When we can detect and address ethical issues in real time, it helps ensure AI systems remain aligned with human values even as they evolve. As we look toward the horizon of AI ethics, we're seeing developments that promise to reshape how we approach responsible AI development. These aren't just incremental improvements, they represent fundamental shifts in how we ensure AI systems remain ethical and aligned with human values as they grow more powerful. Let's explore these emerging trends. Advanced oversight systems, next generation tools for automated AI governance. IBM's quantum safe ethics, pioneering research in quantum ready AI governance. Interpretable AI development, OpenAI and Google's work on transparent decision making. Ethical framework evolution, industry collaboration on next generation AI guidelines. The potential of these developments extends far beyond current applications. These advances in ethical AI development are laying the groundwork for a future where powerful AI systems can be both innovative and responsible, ensuring technology advances in harmony with human values. That wraps up our exploration of AI ethics at the frontier. From bias mitigation and privacy protection to real time oversight and governance, ensuring responsible AI development is essential as AI capabilities grow more powerful. In our next and final episode of this series, we'll examine future horizons, looking at what's next for AI research, breakthroughs in AGI, and the technologies shaping the next decade of AI. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.